Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert a checkbox on the Excel application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and download this Excel application. If you don't have it, download it already into your PC. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through a Microsoft Store or any browser you're currently using. Of course, you'll not go and download like the Excel application. You have to download the Office, and of course Office will actually download the Excel with other Office applications. So you must have been downloaded something on your PC before. That's normally should be easy for you. And once you do that, once you download it or just you have it, just go and open it up. And of course, if it's your first time, you'll need to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, just go and create one. And of course, if you want to use the Excel, you'll have to get an activated account. If you have one, you will be able to proceed with us. And here, this will be actually your home screen or your main screen. Here you can actually create a new document, blank workbook, or some of their templates provided by Excel, or you can just go and open a document if you have it already into your PC. For me, I'm just going to open a new workbook document, and as we said, we would like to insert a checkbox on our Excel. So how can we actually insert a checkbox on our Excel? So all we need to do, in order to make a checkbox in Excel, you need to go to the developer tab. So of course, if you have it, that will be great. If you have the developer tab, that will be great. But if you don't, you can just go here to insert, and then you would like to, and here click at customize. You will have to go to insert as we said, then right click on wherever here. Make sure to not click on something, just go to a blank space and right click, then click at customize the ribbon, and here you would like to, within the Excel option box, of course, you must mark the developer option and save the changes. So as you can see, if you go here down here, you'll find this developer, click on it, check it, and then click add OK. And now you will be actually good to start. Now what you would like to do is just to go to this developer as we said in the beginning, and once you are there, go to insert, and as you can see here, that will be our checkbox. You can just insert it here, and you can just insert it wherever you want again. Of course, you can just type here, are you good, question mark, and of course you can even change the place. So just insert another one here, so you can change the place of it. Of course, if you want to check it, just go and click on it, and as you can see, it will be checked. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.